Okay, here's a review on triad qualities. First of all, we're only doing triads in root position, so you can see over here, they're stacked in thirds, so it will be line, 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 or space, space, space. The three different qualities we'll be talking about are diminished, minor, major, and augmented. Now, normally, the way we identify triads, the traditional way that is that you look at the quality of each of the triads. So for example, if it's a minor triad and then a minor triad stacked on top, then you have a diminished triad. If you have a minor triad on the bottom and a major triad on top, that's minor. Let's draw a little line there. This one goes to diminished. Major is a major triad on bottom and a minor triad on top. And augmented, you guessed it, two major triads. So, looking at this example here, we have a G, a B, and a D. So you can do it traditionally and say, what is the quality of this G to B? Well, that is a major third, and then B to D is a minor third. So you have a major third on bottom, a minor third on top. That gives you a major triad. Put G major right there. Now another way, a faster way sometimes to do it, depending on the situation, is that you can just look, is B and D in the major scale? If that's true, then you got major. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Oh my goodness, you have a C flat, E flat, and a G flat. That's a lot of flats. So one little trick you can do is if all three notes are flatted or all are sharp, you can just ignore them completely right now and then analyze the quality and then add the flats back. So that C, E, G is obviously major. So, and then you can just add the flats back and you have C flat major. That's easy enough. All right, let's do a couple more. Okay, this next one is D flat, F, A flat. Well, D flat to F, you have to ask yourself what kind of triad that is. And that confuses you. Maybe you take away the flat and do D to F. Well, that's a minor third. So if it's a little half step bigger, it's a major third. So major third's on the bottom. Oops, that goes there. And then F to A flat's a minor third. Major on the bottom, minor on top. That's D flat major. Do the next one, C, E flat, G. You could say, is E flat and G in the C major scale? No. The third is flat, it's minor, C minor. Let's do this next one. Here we have a D, an F sharp, and an A sharp. Was F sharp and A sharp in D scale? No, you know that D major has F sharp and C sharp. So this A sharp is sharped. So therefore, it's not major, because this is a major third, it's augmented. So you can write AUG. And later we're going to use different symbols when we're using Roman numerals, but not for now. Let's do one last one. Okay, so this is a good example of how you can use little tricks. You have an E flat, a G flat, and a B double flat. Now you can take away all the flats. Well, you take away this one, and this one, and just do E, G, B flat. E to G, it's a minor third because there's a G sharp and E major. And G to B flat is a minor third. Two minor thirds in a row. So you have diminished. So you're going to write dim. And then you're going to write E flat diminished. And that is triads. If you have any questions, please ask me in class.